Ghana for bi mu ankasa. Chese yetumi ya ade bi a wonte ase. Na video a eda wenim no eye Kaswa market. Ena chese eno ena eda wenim na branch bi a ye friend Benjamin. Ni mfoni beba sisi a video ne beba sisi a obehu se police for action no ewo Kaswa market. Anse ne beto aso no. Subscribe na click the notification bell no ye ne sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Quickly yanko nsem ni mu. Okay, a branch no won a branch na wo she brown na what na pickup nechi no. Aha, the Oshe Brown and the Oshe hoodie no, but the Oshe Brown no. One no, your friend Benjamin. Aha, na handcuff no egunen no. Police for action no ewo Kaswa. Na Benjamin, na Benjamin na ya police for action no. Ye ni enim se yare we eba ye no. Aban can say yes. Dwadifoɔ monko market na monko to ade because it was a Ghana for eba a partial lockdown and full lockdown. But moko ton ade e wo market for na. Monya ade a ye friend social distancing. So will be eton in toes wa ha eni kwan se will be a woton ade nso beben no. The next person a woton ade no ono nso bewo some distance a ye nia ye behu se okay mo atete mumu. Uko Kumasi a some of their major markets you're closing it down because Dwadifoɔ no refuse see it. Dwadifoɔ no munti asem ni o Dwadifoɔ no refuse see as social distancing no they didn't respect it. Inti ama you close it down some of the markets e wo Kumasi. Ashiaman so sa you close it down the Ashiaman market because social distancing no na Dwadifoɔ no wo mo pese wo mo ebeye. Kaswa de na esi. Yes, a branch here we say Kaswa wo mo ton ade no. Wo mo agya tum se social distancing no mbeye. Na ye bebo Kaswa MC na abaso. Na MC no e na de bia wo sori anopa wo make sure say wo come market for na wo amadwadefo na ye social distancing. Ah, wo say afei wo be come market bia wo say market so lanes. Wo be ko one lane ewie na wakatom so mo ye social distancing na wa hwehwe mo fine wo ne task force no. Wo be hwehwe mo ewie no. Wo be ko different lane na wa ye na adwo say wo ba first lane na be hwese ne nyama akwa ubonse na ni ni asai. Dwadifoɔ no no akasa hwehwe wo mu ahwehwe wo ho ama mo space no. Obeba na chese one say space na afi wo one sanso abebom biom. Ah, won ti ase. Wo ya sa e na wo hu se dabi ade we de wo se eminya ntobo ase na mehwe de AC ana de eko. Se wo hwehwe mo wi abrante we ya che ne na efe ne Benjamin no. Wono e na wonam Dwadifoɔ ni mu e ka tro mo se o menfi MC no menfi o mo social distancing wo he won sorry am say yare menfi o mo yare mba masa mo bebubom na mo nton mo ade wo mo separate mo wo mo ma friends and customers no e kwa wo mo pe wo mo nkrofo ho mo bebubom say a branch we you obi a we are very influential and we are popular e wo Kaswa market ho enti wo kan na Dwadifoɔ no so agi atum o say and they say Benjamin aka say ma yemfi o mo nti yemfi o mo wa onu Ghana fon so say ne ye stubborn obi kan ade ba ko tro mo pe edanetrim sa na trese o mo forget MC no ni hyehyɛ ya wa ye o mo no mo asanso aso akwa bom iti MC ni tete ya no hu say sa na branch e wo ye a wonam a wo kika ntre nkrofo na branch no so one thing say wo nim MC no iti MC no e hyeda ye ne ho say wonye MC eno bi sa branch no say adena nkrofo ya mo ahyehyɛ o mo ho a o convince o mo say wo mo say arrangement no yes social distancing na won say ya na o si o menfi o mo ekufo adomo menfi o mo social distancing wen menfi o mo ena MC ne ka say de wu ye police wo betumi achi wo de abrante ne ka tra MC ne say me Benjamin police betumi achi me wa ha hwe what bi da ena MC ne ka tra say and de me ye MC me na me man krofo no hyehye ye ena wo ka to mo say wo mu enja hyehye no na mema police for achew ehwa na fast wo free police for ebechi abrante no eno na wo hu a abrante no ye de na ekwa ye de na ko hye kan nim no enti abrante no wo bi nim So wa shada no wo yes sa person was spreading yare no say den you. Sometimes Ghana for ebimu enyama bi a wo mo ye no odwen ho kra wonti ase. Odwen ho a wonti ase. Wo bi ahihye MC ya ba be hihye na wo so nemu catch them and because I don't mean any disrespect, but a lot of Ghanaians are gullible. Wobi obi atre say o akukuduro anani pakunu to me kasa wo bedwem na odie no den kasa kakre bi problem say Ghana fo bebre na ye disani pakro nechi. Sa Ghana ha say sa wobi be kasa na na no ye den pe obo say ni ye disani pakro nechi. Ti abrante we sa na ode ye ya market women no ode ye omo sa. And you see, the entire mayor this particular podcast me say, I want to educate some Ghanaians and more me because the entire branch when me so say na warrior sakra and say no one him say police for aim to mean channel. When him say oh any offense because police for bar obeka say me dey me ma sam na make no mo so wo mo ye say bia me ka say kokun ma me na kokun ma me say enya me fault. Sansem no me gide say eno ne ade branch no ebeka but you see we need to educate Ghanaians say sisi ano adane emra coronavirus iba no ene e ma ne beda ne emra se si ye coronavirus nhihye bia na wo ye ade etia sa coronavirus na ye bechi watum you can go from 4 to 10 years. It is that serious. But Ghanaians don't know that, and I'm telling you why Ghanaians actually don't know that. They say MC they say one man abrant and ye chi ni wie ye no sisi ya de ne be court na ya kwa fine no. Inti ye de no kokota either say ye be ma wakodem from 4 to 10 years and now say ye be ma netia from 12,000 cedis to 50,000 cedis. Enye sika ketwa. Na de enti America say Ghana fo bebre enim say eye new imbra aba wo ye ade tia sambra na ye chi etum ene say MC ne say abrantie wo ma ye chi ni wie ye no afei be hwe nkofo e wo kasoa e frɛ MC no Womo patwa ma branche no oh we die say anya we kase bia yesrew wo de mane gota bi no ntitimu wo de mane bebi no mpra mane bebi no ndo ne gyan ne man why tesa branche no wo nkrofo wo fans ekuku danfo e wakaso ahonti nkrofo bebre fair MC no patrol on behalf of a branche no because they don't know say the branche na ye no etiamra akwa yese wo bia kobokro no amro ba ya che no akwa yese wo bia wakofa akola wato akola mona ya che no. This is as serious as that because Ghana has say you chill for defilement obekwa dem for better 10 years. Sadie way so you are inciting people which could actually lead to the spread of coronavirus. And also obetumi dem for up to 10 years. It is as serious as that. But Ghana for bebre na nim sadie no. I am using this platform to educate you people. Coronavirus here abai aye emra. Me breaking news on that particular thing. Yet the parliament intentem so emergency and I sensan ye emane ye emra. It say yama restriction bi na ye hu say wotia restriction na you can go to jail for it. Ghana ni adwen mu no asem obeka no say say onkoku nipa ye Ghana ni adwen hu ne say ukoku nipa eno pene boni awaye. Nti obeba abonti abeka o so onkoku nipa ye onku nipa ye ade na moye ne sa. You see, that is not right. You need to see this serious as killing human being because you see an Ghana mremu it is as serious as that. Now adie we pa no sebe unya mambofo a wo be ya sama na ye den mi bisa o so unya mambofo a say wo de wo call round catch market women no social distancing na ya wo do market a spaces dey mfefefe no wo ka jom say da bi wo munja no mumbe bom no muso etie o. You see, and the entia obi beka say na de na market women etie no the entia market women no metie ne say you see things like this no it takes only one person to take the action. Sa person take action na obi a woti na echi a ebia no person wo be take sa action ni bia no obi won say wono nso ebe take sa action no aya kwaya say ngrofo miensa wo moton in toes na wɔn nyinaa yɛmfa no sɛ ntos no coronavirus yi abɛyi baako a increase the prices no ɔtɔn ntos baako tomatoes no ɔtɔn baako 5 cedis wɔn nyinaa ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo agye sɛ wɔn tɔn tomatoes no baako 5 cedis na baako atena ase ehunu sɛ daabi media no so mɛtɔn baako 1 cedi so what will happen is ɔmo a wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔmo tɔn ntos nia no wɔbɛba bɛtɔ beebi a ɔno tɔn no baako 1 cedi no because ne deɛ no ɛyɛ cheaper nti wɔn a wɔn wɔ nkyɛn na wɔn tɔn no baako 5 cedi wɔn bɛhunu sɛ we will see yɛn ɛnna yɛn nso yɛn ti yɛ deɛ nso mbra ne level ne so ne yɛn nso nkorɔfoɔ mɛtɔ so you see they weren't willing to reduce their prices but baako reduce the price no affect wɔn nyinaa it had a rippling effect it's the same thing as ade aberanteɛ yi ayɛ yi wobɛn sɛ ebia market foɔ na MC no ama yɛatetetete wɔn mu no ɛyɛ ɔmo de ɛwɔ hɔ ba aberanteɛ yi kwa kan sɛ mamu fi MC no mo mbɛka mo ho bom no ebi mo kɔkɔ mo ho bom mu na wɔn kɔkɔ mo ho bom mu no wɔn nya customers because wɔn kɔ mo ho bom no wɔn ba enim hɔ market n'enim ɛna wɔn bɛbɔ dɔmpem egu market n'enim hɔ because yɛtete wɔn saa na mo mu bi bɛkɔ akɔhyɛ market no inside nti wɔn bɛka mo ho bom na afei wɔn nya ebe mo vi bɛhyɛ market n'enim hɔ a customers na no munya into won say the other ones na wo ebehye inside na yatete wo ntem no they are not getting the customers so indirectly they will also be forced to spoil the arrangement won say wo mo so ebebe enim obi because they are not getting customers it won say a branch action na we take ebetumi aban say ebia na market women ekra no they didn't want to take the same action but because ba ko bi etie a branch ne ye ya afi womunia yento omo ade aninti no they also took that action so he has incited the people ebetumi lead to the spread of coronavirus akokudro fin say dia wukosia wan mo ntra mo adwo comment box metie for me da se